tell you how to draw this isometric figure in your AutoCAD. So my AutoCAD version is 2026. Any type, any version you have, doesn't matter. You can draw this figure as a same process. Okay, so let's start our tutorial. Firstly, you have to change the settings to draw this isometric figure. So you have to type ISO-D for iso draft and select there are three planes: iso plane, left, top and right. We have to select any one, so we select left. Take the line command here from our draw panel, specify the first point anywhere. Okay, here firstly you have to check the ortho mode is on or off. Okay, because this ortho mode is off, you have to type both distance and angle. But when the ortho mode is on, you have to only type the distance. It's draw the straight line, so we use the ortho mode to draw a straight line. Okay, the distance is from here to here. See, firstly the distance is 1. See, this point to this point the distance is 1, so we type this point. From this point we start to 1 enter. Okay, again we have to go to this point to this point, so we have to type function F5 or only F5, because every computers have a shortcut key setting are different. Okay, so the distance is 3. See, from this point to this point the distance is given is 3. Enter. Again this way 1 enter. See, from this point to this point 1 is given. Again function F5 and the bottom distance is 0.5. Sorry, 0.5. See, the 0.5 distance is given. See the figure and where you path followed. Okay, and the distance is given, you have to type there. Okay, enter. Again from this way 3 enter. Connect 0.5 from up, 0.5 enter, and again function F5. Okay, function F5, and from this point you have to go and click ESC. Okay, this way you can connect this figure. Okay, again take the line command and join this figure also, this to this point. Okay, enter. Again you have to take the line command from this point and draw. The distance is 5. See, this figure distance is 2. This point to this point distance is 2, and this one 2 plus 2 plus 1 is, that is 5. Enter. Okay, again function F5. Okay, sorry, L command. From this point you have to type the function F5. The distance is 3. Again function F5, the top distance is 1. Again function F5, the distance is 2. See, this point to this point and this point to this point and this point to this point. Okay, to enter. See the figure where the line goes. If the line goes this way, then your cursor also you have to take the cursor in this way. Okay, next the line is this way, so we take the line this way, but the line is not coming. The function F5, again enter. See, the distance is 3. Enter. Again function F5 to go to bottom, that is 0.5. See, from this point the distance is 0.5. here the given 0.5, and then connect this point to end point. You see, again take the line command, L enter, and from this point function F5, the distance is 2. Enter, and again function F5 and connect this enter button. Again enter. take the line command from this point to this point, connect this way function f5 to any point, enter. See, the line is all occur, but this is not connected. So again take L for line command, enter. From this point, first point, and specify and function f5, and anywhere inside this line you have to tab means second point specify, again enter. You have to use tr for trim command and trim this extra portion, enter. Okay, this occur. So next the distance is given is take the circle command, but the circle is we can't take the circle direct, so we use the ellipse command, the axis end. So and also select the iso circle, ellipse command, and then axis and center, and also select iso circle. Okay, firstly we have to draw this circle in this square. Okay, a square or rectangle. So firstly from this line, this point to this point, the middle point is given, and this point to this point, the middle point is. So drag this point and drag this point, the center is given, and also you have to type the radius. Okay, so here is the midpoint. Don't tap, only take the cursor in this way, and also from this point, this line, it's also midpoint is occur. So they see both lines are intersecting at that point, tap there, and again you have to type the function f5. So see, the circle is occur. Okay, so here we have to select the diameter. So the diameter is given, so we select the diameter and type that is 1, enter. So our figure is ready fully. See, the original figure that is given in left side, and we draw the figure that is in see, the whole figure is ready right now, no steps. So friends, the next step is dimensioning. So we put the link dimensioning full video in my description, so go through this link and see the dimensioning how occur. Okay, thank you. If any issues regarding this video, then you can comment me, and subscribe and like please to make more videos for your help.